gently and digging deep. B is for beetle, crawling steep. C is for cricket, chirping at night. D is for damselfly, quick in flight.
E is for earwig, hiding away. F is for firefly, glowing all day.
Whoa, A, B, C, let's explore garden bugs and so much more.
G is for grasshopper, jumping so high. H is for hornet, buzzing by.
I is for ichneumon, wasp, tricky and sly. J is for jewel bug, color so high.
K is for katydid, hiding in green.
L is for leafhopper, quick and keen. M is for mantis, ready to fight. N is for net-winged beetle, soft and light. O is for orb weaver, spinning a web. P is for pillbug, rolling to bed. Q is for queen bee, ruling the hive. R is for roach, scuttling to survive. S is for spider, spinning its home. T is for termite, chewing alone. U is for underground ant, digging away. V is for velvet ant, fluffy but brave. W is for weevil, munching so loud. X is for xylophage, eating wood proud. Y is for yellow jacket, buzzing all day. Z is for zebra moth, fluttering wing away.